Commercial Products believes that when it sells a job, the job really begins once the equipment is on site and it's being installed. We want to take a comprehensive consultative approach with our clients from when the product hits the field to once it's commissioned, started up, and left in the owner's hands. All of these products, whether it be something that's on our line card or not on our line card, are designed to do a lot of the same things. And the rubber meets the road really in how the installation process goes, how the startup and commissioning process goes. There are a lot of our competitors that simply sell the equipment and then they'll farm out or they'll call in the factory to come and do the startup, separate from their organization. And then it becomes watching the clock and when can I get out of here? When can I move on to the next thing? When it may take longer than what they have scheduled, the time that they have allotted to do that work. Whereas we handle it all in-house, we understand how it should be applied, how it should look, what the code is, safe installation for the owner, and then we help train the owner on how to maintain that equipment.